The Committee of Vice-Chancellors of Nigerian Universities is asking the federal government to establish a national research council that will be solely responsible for the production of quality journals to meet global index amongst other benefits. Our Rice correspondent Mary Chinda reports.
This meeting provides a confluence for scholars and professors of over 30 Nigerian and West African institutions, including university leaders and research directors, to explore practical solutions to increase the visibility and credibility of African research and journals.
We want to help African institutions to build their capacities to be able to attract research grants, to be able to conduct high-quality research, and to be able to convert that research into policy in order to transform lives on the continent.
Government just pays salaries, they pay overhead. But now it's beyond that. You see, the role of the university is research, teaching, research, and community service. And you find that there is no funding for research and community service until when TED Fund came on board. And even TED Fund is the brainchild of ASU. And you see, if you want to get money, the academic staff union and the staff, the lecturers who are involved with research, they will guide you. So we in the CVC, our target is to see that we popularize government policy, but only in the right direction. And at the same time to remind government, without research, you will spend a lot of money only on overhead and personnel, and nothing will happen.
The consensus is that the percentage of Nigeria's GDP should be allocated to promoting research.
Globally, a percentage of your GDP is supposed to be set aside for research. And so that is one. So they are not voting enough money. And then two, they are not broadening the scope for research in the sense that research seems to be focused on tertiary institutions, universities, colleges and polytechnics, but that is not how it's supposed to be. NGOs can do research, secondary schools can do research, individuals can do research. So the best practice is for the nation to have a national research council whereby anybody who has an idea can plug in that idea and then go through the process, and if you are qualified, you go for it.
We've been pathetically lagging behind. Believe me, globally, but sometimes embarrassingly, even in Africa. So we have a lot to do. We have a lot of catching up.
As a program put together by the African Population and Health Research Center, in collaboration with the Committee of Vice-Chancellors of Nigerian Universities, commences in Abuja, experts maintain that applying research findings towards national development cannot be overstated. Mary Chinda, Rice News.